This is what we're gonna get into sometime. I'm not one much for drinking, but I'll be face down after a couple of these and a couple of these right here. Look at that double bit. Alright, and here's today's project. It's a little hatchet, and I've always used this camping. We'll see how nice we can make it look with basically no tools, doing it in the bed of a truck. I want to get the handle off this old double bit handle and yeah, right here. See how it goes. Ruby, over here. Oh, I did not expect this. Oh man, good job, Rube. You did it. Right here, we're getting this old handle out. I moved it some of the way by hand, but this is step 2. Can you just stand on that? Oh yeah. You're gonna be my vice. Use all your might, possibly possible. There's always the right tool for the job, but not right now. Let's give this a try. Never mind.
Well, nice with the beer in the shot and the...
That's not open. We're not doing any of that yet.
Oh, I got scared.
Alright, now we have a free hatchet to work with. With this, I might be leaving some of the green on there. You know, it's always been green from back in my lady. We take, you know, we take firewood to the old wood pit and, you know, make lunch, and we use this one. We'll probably make the...
Did you mean fire pit?
What was I say?
Wood pit?
Yeah, you know. Alright, so maybe we did get in the BS. But,
oh, jeez.
Put an edge on it. Maybe make the whole sides of it like shined up. Very little mushroom in on it. So I probably won't bother that. I'll leave the back kind of like it is, I think, because when they're too nice, that's when you don't want to use them. And you shouldn't really use this as a hammer anyway, but see what we can do.
Got a little bit cold, right, Miss Ruby? Yeah. Someone's tired. She's had a long day. You ready to do this?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Okay.
And this is recycling a handle from old double bit project that he did, right?
Yeah.
And look at what the rain clouds are doing. See how dark those are? So hopefully the blue skies will stay with us and he'll be able to get this project done before that comes this direction.
I can already see it being a 2-dayer.
Oh, jeez.
But, alright, I need my human vice again.
Oh, no.
Step up to you, step up to the plate.
Where's Ruby? Oh.
Step right on.
Sorry.
Oh, I scratched it.
Oh. We have a very worried, concerned puppy over here.
All right, one more time.
Alright.
Come on again.
Whoa, good job.
Still got another one for later.
Woohoo!
Here we are again, people.
Welcome to the jungle over here. Your mustache beard just came in the picture. Whoa.
Oh no. Puppies.
Oh, sorry.
People don't want to see that.
It's a pretty cool shirt.
You know what?
Here's the back piece. Very nice. Wheelie Rider 455, right?
Mind you guys, my camera woman has severe ADHD. If you want to skip the video,
Oh, the
do
whole
it
video.
now.
Wow.
That's a perfect one.
All right.
Mine is perfect.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Step 2. Alright, back at it again. I got the Milwaukee baby vise. I need to adjust my blade. And we'll fast forward this. All that crap I was talking. Now I'm the vise. Hey, get your hand off my...
Oh, she sat in the chair.
Oh, hey, Ruby. Hello. Alright, focus. Teamwork. Pure focus and determination. Kevin, I'm sorry about the wood scraps. Oh boy.
It's fine. There's wheel everywhere. Oy! Ouch.
So this is how things are looking, and just about ready. All right, and here's what. Yeah, there you go. All right, the steaks are on the counter. All right, anyways, yeah, this is my my progress. It started ripping along pretty good, literally. But once you started and you make a nice channel, it holds itself in there. Might go a little deeper.
Looks good.
There
Cool shirt again. Ooh, cool face. Ooh. Oh. Now we're testing it. It's process.
I never know. Lefty loosey, righty
It's all in one
tighty.
direction.
Okay, I'll look like this sometime.
Ooh.
Okay.
Now he's just sanding off the old handle to take away the old wood finish. And he's gonna renew it. Right?
Good job, Elise. How do you know? I wasn't even sure what I was doing.
Oh. Good thing I'm here.
Well, thank you. Oh, we should do this in the hood.
Oh.
Let's go around the hood.
Alright. We're going on a trip. Oh.
I love my work that way. I can lay down.
Oh.
Oh, my eyes.
Oh,
My
man.
eyes.
Well, then put on your safety glasses on your head.
Sawdust in my eyes. Turn off the wind. Oh, I can't see.
Oh. Oh, boy.
I feel like Ray Charles.
Jeez.
Oh.
Took a lot out of you, huh? And a weather update. Blue skies are back. Not a sad cloud in sight. Woo! Woo!
My hand's sore.
Oh,
no.
man. Action shot. Nope.
I need a stabilizer. That's good for the moment. I did this a little bit. Not perfect, but I love it.
I thought you said I love it.
Watch your eyes.
I get it too.
And I like that method because I got lightheaded. But yeah, it's like burning it with friction more than like a torch or something. And now it's nice and smooth. And Amazon person. It's the only person that comes out here once every 45 days. We're out in the sticks. But anyways, call this good. We'll get back here once the head's on. I think I'm wedging it. You guys don't need to see that, but
No wedgie.
I have a mean one of those going on. I can taste the fabric. Oh, that's it. I'm dizzy.
Jeez.
Okay, right back at it.
Yep.
All right, so with limited resources, this is a beginning of a wedge, but I'm gonna sand it down, make more of a slope on both sides, more of a point. But I had to do something for a wedge. The size, the width is just about right. I took a hatchet and smacked it with the back end of a hammer, and it broke pretty well, just naturally broke. But
You want to show what you're doing?
no.
Okay.
What's wrong? My hand's sore. Wheel.
Oops.
Chevrolet. Chevrolet got new clear coat.
Where?
Made by wood.
Oh.
Okay, so here we go. Kind of more of a point. Custom. I'm selling these $400 each.
Oh my goodness. And we're losing branches out here, people.
Oh man, state of emergency. We're doing hatchets. All right, so I'm gonna get this in there, and I'll start filming when I get the head on. I think. Actually, no. Be right there. Be right there. All right, so I got the head on there. Fine tuning definitely would be needed, but on hatchets I like to put a little point here, because when you're splitting wood, you can hold the stock that you're splitting and then like push everything through there, hatchet and all, or you'll get like woods that split in a V. But if you make this into like a V, you can just kind of drive it through the wood, whether that's the right way or not. That's what I like to do. So I'm going to put a little edge on here, maybe make a little curve in the back, just real quick with your flap disc. So, yeah. Pretty much good enough for me. You don't want to go too far where the handle is going to feel too weird. So it has, I mean, you can't really tell, but it's no longer really oval. Little point to it, and I might do a little U shape back here, very slightly, and then just kind of blend that in for a good feel. I'm going to fine tune this and hand sand it, and to be continued. Alright guys, we got day 2 here of a little hatchet restoration. So, yeah, don't worry about me. I'm wearing the same shirt as yesterday, same hairdo, and yeah, on the bed of the truck, and we're gonna get it done. All right. So I have a bright idea that I'm gonna have to collect some wood shavings, and I'll show you the after, not the process. I'll show you the process in the future video if it's a success. Alright, a quick explanation. That's a wedge. I tried hiding it with some wood glue and wood shavings, but I'm thinking that will sand pretty well, and I'll make it curve outward with the sander. On the handle, the top here is to a point for splitting through wood. This I try to flatten out just for a better feel and look, and I'm gonna sand that right now. And we're almost getting ready to oil burn it, linseed oil it, and also give the hatchet head some fine tuning and hand sanding. I got my camera girl back. Okay, so this is what we're doing here. And just doing this more with the flat disc. I'll shake this wedge a little bit. And yeah. Thank you.
Puppy. Hello. Oh.
Feels pretty good.
No?
Yeah. You try.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah. Oh no. Not the Chevy. Do again. No. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna just sand this by hand. Get some of those power tool artificial marks off it. Alright, before I finish the restoration process, there's probably like 3 more steps. Here's where you can hold it up here. Index finger kind of can rest up here for that detailed secure work. Also down here you have a nice little area to get some power. Then, like I said, right here is in the shape of a V for when you're splitting through the wood using the handle. Whether that's the right way or not, that's what I like to do. And yep, shaped the bottom pretty well. Just sanded it with honey grit. Wood burn and linseed oil, I'll do that last. I'll keep this kind of in a rough draft formation just in case it gets nicked and stuff while I'm restoring the hatchet head. I got my camera woman back. Yay! I can resume.
Oh. Oh gosh.
Parking this 45 and this thing's brain pan.
Oh wow. Do not attempt at home.
That's Ruby back there.
Mm-hmm. She's really murdering this thing. Yo.
I'm back.
Mm-hmm.
But alright, I got
Oh,
the
zoomed
45.
in.
Oh, 45 up top. Okay. Feels pretty nice. Alright, now we'll work on the blade a little bit.
Did you fall?
Pause. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. So just reshaping the edge on this.
Okay.
Alright, so now I'm hey. Now I'm working with this. And yeah. Alright, now I can put an edge on. And how I'm gonna do that is a 120 flat disc. And you want to take your time without having it get the edge too hot. I'll do 120 on the blade. Then I'll do the rest of the head starting at 600. That way I can keep the pit in, but the blade I want nice and smooth. Okay. Whew. Okay, watch your eyeballs. Alright, so I got a nice edge on here. And now I'm gonna start sanding.
Okay. The garden.
So I'll do that all the way up to 3,000 on the body and the edge of it. And before polish, it should look like this side. Alright, we'll be right back at it. Alright. We'll polish this after wood burning and linseed oil.
Yep. Alright. Down to cool down.
That's cool. I burnt that one up more than usual, but that's just the vibe of this one.
Anyway. Tell them where you got the cool can.
Antique store.
It didn't work last time, but it's working this time.
Yeah, weird.
Pretty cool. Maybe it just needed the oil for a while.
I don't know what the heck.
Or didn't build up enough pressure. I don't know. Looks really nice.
Alright. So here's the end result. Polished up. Don't get me wrong, that polish is not perfect. There's some scratches and stuff, but nice edge on it now. Pretty sharp.
We're good now.
I'll show you guys the purpose of making this edge right here. It's not noticeable, you can feel it, but it's a slight edge, probably 50 degrees or so. So,
Woo. should chop it a little bit deeper.
Mm-hmm.
There you
So from here, this is where the little piece comes in. Sometimes I'll take the firewood, get through there.
Use it as a splitter.
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo!
Yeah.